You ask AI something simple, and you get this, a wall of text. You did not want a textbook page, but that is what you asked for. Now watch. Same person, same machine, only the words changed. Nothing inside the machine changed. Nothing. So today we learn one skill, how to ask. It is the difference between a useless answer and a great one. First, remember what this machine really does. It guesses the next word. Your words are the start of the sentence. It just keeps going. So when you say very little, the machine has many empty gaps, and it fills every gap with a guess. It cannot read your mind. It has never met you. It does not know your class, your city, or your real problem. Every missing detail is a guess, so give it more details, and there is less left to guess. Think of a food counter. You say, "Give me food," and you get something. It is not wrong. It is just not what you wanted. Now you order properly. 1 plate of poha, less spicy for 1 person, and look, exactly right. Same kitchen, same cook, only your order was clear. That is the whole idea. You are not searching, you are ordering. So how do you write a good order? 4 small lines. Let us add them one by one and watch the answer change. Line 1. Say who it should be. You are a teacher for a 10-year-old. See? Now the big words are gone. Line 2. Say exactly what you want, not just photosynthesis. Say, explain photosynthesis in 5 simple lines. Now it is short. Line 3. Say the shape, a list, a table, in Hindi. Whatever you need. Now it is easy to read. Line 4. Give it your own things. Paste your notes, your email, your homework. Now it works on your problem, not a general one. 4 lines. Who, what, shape, your things. That is already better than most people ever do. Now, 2 extra tricks. Trick 1. Show it 1 example. Say, here is a message I like. Write mine in the same style. And it copies your style. Simple. Trick 2. This is the best one. Ask it to ask you. Say, before you answer, ask me 3 questions. Now it asks, which class, how long, which language? You answer. Now, nothing is left to guess. And the habit. Do not start again. Just say shorter or simpler or give an example. It remembers this chat. Fix it step by step. Same machine. A far better answer. Only because you said what you wanted. One warning. A good order does not make it honest. It can still be confidently wrong. Check names, dates, and numbers. So when you open it tomorrow, remember, this is not a search box. It is a very fast helper who cannot read your mind. Tell it more, and it will give you more.